East Sussex College, which is a fantastic beacon setting up an initiative called Sussex Skills Solutions, which is about giving adults access to new skills. There's a combination of short taster courses and longer ones. It's about making sure that adults are ready for the changing world of work. We continue to look at how we can improve our offer to young people, which includes holding workshops with work coaches to get their insight into what works well. I met some of the larger local employers who are going to make sure that they feed into this as well. Those 3-week courses will involve some work experience, some opportunity for job interviews at the end of it. It's a really good example of private and public sector partnership and of seeing that we are addressing, as a department, the difficulties that people have sometimes in keeping up with the workforce.
The success of this programme will be dictated by the collaborative approach that we've got with DWP. We work in absolute harmony with them. They send across the clients to us and we already know what's the right kind of programme for them. We then design something that's specifically helping them to further their opportunities into employment.
I've really enjoyed hearing today about the model of employment engagement and readiness that's being used here, and to consider what we can learn nationally from your approach. And I value the Sussex Skills Solutions emphasis on addressing anxiety and teaching resilience. It's an approach that people in all walks of life can benefit from, to appreciate that your first job may not be your best job or your dream job, but it's an important start. Thank you very much.